let's take it out. It's time. Wow. Woo. Wow, it's bubbling. Beautiful color. The pepperoni is... you should smell this pepperoni. Oof. Hi, I am Gluten Morgan and I am at the Gluten Morgan Lab, Barcelona. Today is pizza day or pizza evening. So first of all, what I have to do is to light the fire. By the way, if you want to get this oven, in the description you'll find the link. With this pyrometer, we can check the temperature inside the oven. You can set it in centigrades or in Fahrenheit. So what do we need now? We need a dough. It's very easy to calculate it because I have my Gluten Morgan Baker's Percentage app, which is free for download if you have an iPhone or an Android phone, okay? It's very easy, and here you see it. And remember that you can add this formula and many others into the app. And these are the ingredients: flour, yeast, salt, and water. There's no secret in this dough. It's really easy to make it. We just need time. Maybe we can prepare it 1 day before, 2 days before. That will make it super tasty and super light. And now that we have all the ingredients in the bowl, we just need to knead, that's all. And now that all the ingredients are incorporated, let's continue by hand. Okay, look at the dough, it's almost ready. Just a few seconds more and it's done. Okay, and now that the dough is ready, it's time to make a dough balls. I will divide it in two, in this case, but you could have done many more. So I'll give some tension to the dough with my hands, and now I'll finish it like this. This dough ball weighs 250 grams, which is okay for a Napolitan pizza. But if you want to do a bigger pizza, you could scale up to 300, 350 grams. That's okay. Ready. And now what I have to do is to take them into this container. It could be like this one, a small one, a bigger one. So the key to the perfect pizza is to let them rise slowly in the fridge. This will make them super light, super tasty, and that's the secret. So you cover them up and let's take it into the fridge, okay? So now it's time to start baking the pizza. The oven is already heated at 407 degrees centigrade, which is Fahrenheit 765. That's a very high temperature. And of course I have many dough balls already prepared, which have been in the fridge for 2 days. And look how happy they are, full of air, fluffy, super inflated, beautiful. Here I have some semolina flour, which will help me to pick up the dough ball from the container. You have to be very careful in order not to degas the dough ball. We don't want to lose all that air that's inside the dough ball. So take it very gently and flip it here. Perfect. And now I need to cover them up again. This is very important. If you don't cover them, you'll find like a skin on top of it, which is not good. It's also very important to fill it with this semolina flour. If you don't have semolina flour, you could use rice flour or just plain flour, bread flour. I'll put it here on the counter and take a look at this. The most important thing is to don't lose the air on the border, which is the cornicione. This is the characteristic of this pizza, the Neapolitan pizza, which has this beautiful crust on the outside. Look at all this air. This means that the dough had a very excellent fermentation, cold fermentation. And since they are so light and tasty, you'll be able to eat a full one. Okay? Okay. Dough ready. Let's check that it's not sticking to the counter. Perfect. And now it's time to build up the pizza. I'll be making a classic, a pepperoni pizza. But now I don't have pepperoni salami, I have an Spanish salami, which is beautiful. Take a look at this. Wow, it's shiny, red, and spicy. We'll be using this salami. Okay, first tomato sauce. This is just tomato passata, if in Italian, passata di pomodoro. It's tomato sauce. Beautiful tomato sauce, Italian tomato sauce on top of a pizza. One more spoon. What an evening here in Barcelona, Spain, making Spanish pizza. Now some sea salt. What else do we need? Cheese, mozzarella cheese, some fresh mozzarella. I'll cut it up with my own fingers, not too much. And now some shredded cheese, some Parmesan shredded cheese. And we don't have to forget the main ingredient of this pizza, the pepperoni. There they go. Some more there. A lot of pepperoni. Extra reloaded. Okay, it's almost done. I'll take the pizza peel here hanging on my Ooni table. And we are ready to take it into the oven. Some semolina flour too here. And yes, now I'll shape it again a little bit. Oh, it looks beautiful. Let's go. Whew, it's hot, eh? And there she goes. Look at the pepperoni. Woo! It's losing all its fat, that tasty fat. And see how fast it goes. Let's count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here. Wow. And turn it round. Wow, look at all these dots. This leoparding. Ah, I love it. Now let's go inside for a few seconds more. Let's take it out outside. Wow! Woo! Wow, it's bubbling. Beautiful color. The pepperoni is. You should smell this pepperoni. Oof. This is Spanish pepperoni. Beautiful. Okay, here is the pizza. Look at this crust. Wow! Really crispy. Let's check the bottom. Perfect. Beautiful, beautiful pizza. And now let's cut it. Oh, listen to that crust. Oh, I just can't wait to taste it. Whew. This is awesome. Take a look at the cornicione. There's only air. There's just air, and nothing else than air. Wow. Isn't it beautiful? This excellent pepperoni, super light pizza in the Ooni Gluten Morgan Pizza Lab patio in Barcelona. Ah, now comes the best part, tasting it. Oof. So I hope you've enjoyed this recipe, and please send me your pictures. I want to do what you're doing at home, what you're baking at home, and remember to subscribe to this channel, like it, share it, and leave me some comments. I'll take another bite.